Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a guild on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and within the main menu at the left side you will see your friend's banner. Within this page, alongside the headphone icon, you will see the current guild that you are a member of. Just hover over to this, and if you wish to leave this guild, just click on the Leave Guild option. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to leave this guild. Just tap on the yes button, and now you have successfully left this guild. You can now click on the guild icon to either choose another one or create your very own guild. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to leave any guild on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.